Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video basically to do one English speaking practice, and today I've chosen one cue card for speaking in this video that is about describing one sports that you like. So this is a kind of topic which I chosen for speaking in this video. So if you are a beginner, you can also try these activities to improve yourself. So let's jump into these cue cards. So let's get started. So if I talk about one sports which I do focusing on nowadays is swimming, because I am very feared of swim. And I just one time when I was in the early childhood, there because of provoking from my friend, I just jump into the river, and it was a very critical situation for me because there is no one who is going to help me. And basically I was die at the time in the in you can say in the late early 5 to 10 years. I just jump because my friend provoked me to jump basically in the river. That is a huge there is a lot of that is deep basically. And there is one of my relative who have helped me, and after mm, there is I have I met him now, and he just told the whole story. And so from there onwards I got to basically got the fear basic I got motivation to learn swimming. So past week I've just take a session from one of a very highly basically recommended from my friend, and he suggests me to go there. And so I went there. So I just know some sort of beginning things in swimming as well. So it was a very easy for me. So yeah, there is a lot of stamina and endurance we need on the swimming as well. So I just take 1 hour of session, and it feels like I've just burned a lot of calories. And he just taught us. There are basically five person who have taken the basically first session of their swimming. So they all are I think very good, and they know most of the swimming things. But still there are some people who are still learning. So and along with that I'm also the one. So he taught us 4 to 5 swimming styles, and like what we need to do in the initial days. And yeah, it was a very great experience to do the session, because fear is nothing like what stops us, right? It is only in our mind basically. Whatever we think, uh, that we believe, that is going to happen in our life as well. So yeah, I believe I can swim, and I can basically be a mature basically be a amateur to basically a mature swimmer. So for that we need to basically practice every day to day basis. And so yeah, that's why I visited. And if you got a great tutor, so it will be very easy for learning that with a small span of time. That is the case on this English language as well. So if you get a great tutor or instructor, so you will get the things in a very short span of time. So these all things matter in life as well. So it's just matter of your mindset as well. So on this video, that is it. I think there is a lot of things which I need to work on. And I'll try to do best, and try to do practices as well of English language. So on this note, that is it. Bye bye.